Hi guys, welcome to another Filmora basic tutorial for beginner. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cut a video in Filmora. Okay, so this is the start page of Filmora. If you don't have the software, go ahead to the link in the description. And if you want to purchase the software, don't forget to use my 20% discount coupon code. Link will be in the description also. For this video, I'm going to select 16:9 aspect ratio and click here to create a new project. And now you need to import your video. Okay, just click here to import the video. I'm going to select this piano video and click open. Okay, and now you want to drag and drop the video onto the timeline. Just drag and drop it right here, and you want to find the position that you want to split first. So at this position, for example, you want to cut the video, you want to split it, and then put the playhead at the next position, at this position, and hit the split button again. And now you want to delete this section. Okay, so there will be an empty gaps here. If you want to close the empty gaps, you can just click here at this button. So this is how to cut the video. By the way, if you want to delete the empty gaps automatically, you can just turn on this auto ripple option. Turn it on, and then you want to cut it here, and then you can delete this section and you don't have the empty gaps. So this is how easily you can cut the video in Filmora 12. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.